Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of some Modelones solid chrome mirror powders. Modelones sent me some chrome powders to try out. They sent me 5 palettes with different colors, so I'm going to be showing you guys each of the palettes. They are numbered from 1 to 5 and they are very pretty. Some of the colors are similar, I noticed, but all of them are so gorgeous. The products I'll be using today are these Modelones dip powders and Azure Beauty Clear dip powder. And I'll also be using the Silver Chrome from the number 3 palette. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the index nail, I apply a thin layer of base and then I dipped it into the nude dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. On the middle finger, I applied a layer of base and then dipped it into the nude dip powder. Now, using the blue dip powder, I'm doing an ombre. This dip powder was so difficult to ombre. It didn't blend like I wanted it to. I didn't like how it looked, but I went with it and hoped for the best. But it was not my best ombre. I was struggling a lot. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the ring finger, I did a few layers of the nude dip powder. I also did the same for my pinky nail as well. If you'd like to purchase from Modelones website, you can use my code to get 10% off. All of the information would be in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. Now I encapsulated the nails with some Azure Beauty Clear Dip Powder. I did a few layers to build the nails, but I only showed one layer. So right here I'm just placing some activator on the middle finger to bring back some color to the nail and remove some of the white residue that I saw. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. If you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll leave a link in the description or in the cards for a video. This is after filing of the nails. Now on the pinky nail, I'm using my Modelones black gel polish and I cured for 30 seconds in the lamp. On the ring finger, I'm doing a cheetah print with the black gel polish and I'm using my dotting tool to get the different shapes on the nail, and then I cured for 30 seconds as well. Now using the silver chrome, I just rub it into the black gel polish. The chrome only attaches to gel polish, hence the reason I didn't apply top coat first before doing the cheetah print, else the chrome would have gone on the whole nail. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the index finger, I'm doing the cuticle line with the gel polish. I don't know what it is called, but that's what I'm doing, and then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I rub in the silver chrome on the cuticle area. Then I applied Modelones top coat on my nails and cured for 30 seconds. So on the ring finger, I'm doing the cheetah lines with the black gel polish. Then I cured for 30 seconds. On the middle finger, I placed some tape off camera, and now I'm just rubbing in some of the chrome on that area. Now I top coated the ring finger with the matte top coat and the middle finger with the shiny top coat, and then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!